Welcome to a special jungle tea break. No show today, so nothing really to talk about, so we thought we'd play a game instead.
We're going to play Celebrity Teapot. Basically, we're going to hear iconic noises from previous series of I'm a Celebrity, and then we've got to try and guess what they are. And the answers are on these little tea bags in this teapot, and we'll find out. 1 to 5. Ready to go?
Yeah, I am. This game is actually on the website, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. So you can try it yourself.
We've never done this,
Oh,
so
we're
going to give it a go ourselves. So let's have noise number 1.
Oh, who is it again? Yes, yeah. Is it?
I think I've got it.
I think I've got it. I think I've got it.
Go on.
I think it's Kim from Kim and Aggie.
Kim Woodburn.
Yeah.
In the Eton trial.
Yeah.
With Jordan.
Let's see.
Let's see if you're right.
There she is.
Hello, Kimmy.
It's Kim.
Hello, Kimmy.
Hello, Kimmy. Thank you, Kimmy. Well done.
That was one of the grossest ones. And everybody said to us afterwards, didn't they? Oh, you guys must have dubbed that. You put those noises on afterwards. We didn't. If you watch it back, she's got a microphone right there. She's got it round her.
So you can hear every little reflex,
everything.
every gag reflex.
Everything. That's why it was so bad.
Well done. Well done. We've got that. Sound number 2.
Nutty.
Got it. That's just giving it away. Nutty.
It's yeah, I think I know who it is. Should we go?
Yeah.
George Takei.
Yeah.
Doing the Eton trial.
Yes.
George Takei. Where are you, George? Come on. Beam me up. There he is.
Come here, George.
No, he's a bit windy for George. There he is. Right, next one.
Very good. I love this.
Oh, this is, I mean, who could forget this? Oh, hold on. Mama darling. Mama darling.
This has got
Mama darling.
one of our favourites.
It's a snake!
It's
Paul Burrell.
It's got to be Paul Burrell and Hellholes.
It's Paul Burrell. Where are we? Number 3.
Yeah.
Oh, yes it is.
One of the best ever. The first trial we ever started laughing in.
Like, at them.
At them. We just couldn't hold it in.
And we
That's
haven't
the first time
looked
we ever laughed.
back.
We haven't looked back since. Let's have number 4.
Come on, 4 to 4.
Umbaga, 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 ooh. Umbaga, 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 ooh. Umbaga, 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 ooh.
Is this Bish Bosh where celebrities Timmy Mallet? It might be the extended remix of it or something. I think I'm going to go for that. What are you going for?
For some reason, I'm thinking David Guest.
So we've got David Guest and we've got David Van Day and Timmy Mallet. It is David Van Day and Timmy Mallet.
I don't remember that. Was that Bish Bosh Bosh?
Hey mate, I'm sure it must be some kind of version of it. They made up loads of rubbish.
It must have been the 12-inch. I never bought
I
it.
saw Timmy Mallet at a football match the other day. I've told you this story. I won't bore you again.
Let's have a final noise.
Excuse me. I know what that is.
I know what that is.
That is me sneezing live on air. Just before
In the
we
middle
say
of my
goodbye.
link.
In the middle of Decs link. Let's see Friday. I think I know I am right. Yes, there I am. It's me sneezing away.
So very, very unprofessional.
Very good. Well
good.
done.
You got 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
I get 4 out of 5. Well done.
Cheers.
Very special prize.
We'll play it again. What's the prize?
This fantastic teapot.
Oh, cheers. Thanks, man. Enjoy.